Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sakshi Rana, lecturer in Electrical Engineering Department, IIMT College of Polytechnic. Today, I am going to discuss that is identification of business opportunity. What are the business opportunity and how can we identify that we get after the diploma or BTech or any other course that we have to done. First of all, what is opportunity to start a business? The ability to identify business opportunity is an essential characteristics of an entrepreneur. Means, I think everyone is know what is entrepreneur. Basically, entrepreneur who want to start their business and who started their business and they are growing day by day. But to identify the business opportunity means in which sector or in which section we are getting more opportunities right now. किस फील्ड में कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटी किस टाइम पे कितनी अवेलेबल है, that is the ability to identify the essential characteristics, that is the of entrepreneur. Opportunity, what is opportunity? Opportunity is the favorable position or a range for advancement. Opportunity मतलब कैसे हम किस चीज को कहाँ से ग्रास्प कर सकते हैं, that is the opportunity. Steps in arriving at business opportunity. What are steps or what can be steps for arriving at a business opportunity? For that we can get a business opportunity in our sector. So first of all, we have to be capable of generating ideas, screening process, formulating the concept of business. These three are the steps in arriving at business opportunity. Generating ideas means, as we can understand by the name of that, generating idea means how can we build an idea for their respective syllabus, respective interest and all. Okay, next is the screening process and third one is formulating the concept of the business. Generating idea. Here we are taking an example, that is the source. What can be the source? Source, it may be environment. Scan and understand the needs of and wants of people. Firstly, when we are generating an idea and we are implementing an idea or we can हम कोई भी idea बना रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले हमें देखना होगा कि जो लोगों की needs हैं, लोगों की नीड्स इस टाइम पे क्या हैं, वो लोग क्या चाहते हैं, ठीक है. यानी हमारे सोशल में, एनवायरमेंट, इकोनॉमिक, मतलब कैसे कैसे किस चीज की नीड डे बाय डे इंक्रीज हो रही है और वो जो कंपनीज अवेलेबल हैं वो उनको फुलफिल करा पा रही हैं या नहीं करा पा रही, राइट. तो देयर वाज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट अब्राहम मास्लो. He said that psychologist people generally have different kinds of basic needs. जो साइकोलॉजिस्ट पीपल्स होते हैं या सभी लोग जो भी होते हैं उनकी एक बेसिक नीड्स होती है, लाइक उनको खाना चाहिए होता है, दे वांट फूड, क्लॉथिंग, shelter, safety, socialization, recognition for self-esteem and self-fulfillment. These are the basic needs which everyone knows, right? And which everyone want for their fulfillment or for the stable in their condition, right? Like taking macro perspective of viewing larger. हम क्या करेंगे, जिस भी टॉपिक के बारे में वी वांट टू स्टडी और वी वांट टू जनरेट एन आइडिया, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, हमें डीपली स्टडी करना होगा फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोसेस, फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर आइडिया विच वी वांट टू बी ग्रो, right? Taking macro perspective of viewing larger environment where business will be situated, कहाँ पे हमें business को अपने situate करना है, like there will be many types of conditions like social, technological, economic, environmental and political. These are the important environmental conditions which may be different from place to place. Okay, ways of scanning the environment. How can we scan the environment? How can we take the decision that this particular place is good for our idea or for our business, for our entrepreneurship? So for that we have to measure some things, some basically things, that is the looking closely at the market. It is the important thing that we have to look to the market very deeply, very closely. Okay, demand and supply gap analysis. For that particular thing, we have to demand and supply gap analysis. We have to study, like in the market there is need of anything, and the company or organization that are established in the market, they are not capable to fulfill that demand. If we will establish that type of idea, we establish that type of company, then there will be a definitely that will be growth. Okay, import export movement, production substitution, forward backward industry linkages. These are the four analysis which everyone have to be done for the establishing the generating ideas. Next one is the import and export movement. If we want to establish a company and organization, any type of company, you can say large scale, small scale, but for that we have to import something from the out of the city, out of the state, or we can say out of the country. Okay, and which particular product we have to product which we have to made by the company, that will be export definitely. ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि हम सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं अपने पास स्टोर कर रहे हैं, तो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू एक्सपोर्ट, और उस प्रोडक्ट को पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को बनाने के लिए बाहर से कुछ ना कुछ रॉ मटेरियल वी हैव टू नीड। ओके, तो उसके लिए हमें देखना है कि वहाँ पे आपका ट्रांसपोर्टेशन अवेलेबल है नहीं है, वहाँ पे जो डिमांड हो रही है वो उसको फिल कर पा रहे हैं नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग। उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट सब्सटीट्यूशन, अगर मार्केट में जो कंपनी हमारी बनाने जा रही है उसका सब्सटीट्यूट अवेलेबल है, तो how can we modified on that particular product which we made, which we are going to be made with, how can we modify that particular product? For that people move towards our product, not the particular which we available in the markets. Okay, forward backward industry linkage, for that particular product how can we link to the market, that is four basic parameters. How can we closely look to the market? Next is the ways of scanning the environment. How can we scan the environment? Right, looking at people's skills, observe your community, where we are going to establish our organization, our plant, our industry, then their peoples are educated, are expert on that particular product, or they are able to learn, they can eager to learn. So these are the basic parameters. Looking at available business assistant program like visit DTI office, government and private institution, non-government organization. This is the basic business assistance program. For that, like we can go institutions, you can go diploma institute, you can go to graduation or any other type of institute, not only the technical. We are not talking about the technical only, because anyone can be a good entrepreneur, right? Or non-government organization, any other. After that is the collective information. From where we can collect the information? Sorry. First one is the ad hoc scanning. Ad hoc scanning, like short term, infrequent, and initiated by crisis, which we can be, it can be done at the short time. Also, regular scanning involves studies. In regular scanning, studies is also involved on a more or less regular basis. It is not mandatory that you are continuously studying, but in the regular scanning, you have to touch on that particular product. Okay, continuous scanning entails regular collection or processing of data on a wide range of factors from business environment. Means in this we have to be in touch that particular product on the continuously basis. That is the continuous scanning. Next is the means of collecting information. First one is the accessing networks, public meetings, trade fairs and fora, focused group discussions, key people surveys, publications, in-depth interviews, usage and awareness studies. These are the collecting information means. First one is we have to be capable to access the network from where we can get the information about that particular product which we want to be established. and we have to be organize the public meetings. We can go via trade fairs or fora. We have to be focused on the group discussion by which we can understand the current scenario of the market, which we are growing day by day or which is decaying in today's market. Key people survey, we have to be survey on the some peoples which are the we can say that which are the main part of the industry or country right now, like publications we have studied, publications like it is a continuous process. In-depth interviews, we have conducted the interviews of that particular person. Usage and awareness study, we have to be regular study of that particular topic. Next is the screening process. Screening process can be of two types, that are the personal level screening and the firm level screening. Personal level screening. Firstly, we will discuss about the personal level screening. What is personal level screening? First point is the personal preference, educational and training background, work experience, business network and contacts, family support. Personal level screening process means personal level screening is totally different from the firm level screening. In this, we have to discuss about ourselves. Okay, what is the qualification of mine, and what is mine background, training background, which we have studied, and our previous company industry, and any other which where we have to done the work for their past experience, and works experience like degree of expertise and knowledge. What is your knowledge, and what is the in which field you are the expert of that particular thing. Business network and contacts, how many contacts, or what is how type of networks you are belongs to, like buyers, suppliers, or creditors. Buyers, which whom have to be buy the product from the company or industry, and supplier, which we have to supply from the other country or state. Creditor, which we have the financed. Family support, personal level screening process. Family support is the mandatory thing for the personal level screening, which we have to be supported by the family for the personal level screening. Okay. Next is the firm level screening. Firm level screening is totally different from the personal level screening. In the personal level screening, that is totally depend to me or us, but in the firm level screening, it is totally depend on the market. In this, we have to study the market, technology, availability of skills, availability of raw materials, financial, capital requirement, profitability, government support screening process. First one is market. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि मार्केट में इस टाइम पे क्या सिनेरियो चल रहा है, क्या प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हो रहा है, किस प्रोडक्ट की कितनी डिमांड है, उसके बारे में हम स्टडी करते हैं. टेक्नोलॉजी, अगर मार्केट में हमारा कोई सब्स्टिट्यूट अवेलेबल है तो वो किस टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम कर रहा है, और हम अपने अपने प्रोडक्ट को बेटर बनाने के लिए कौन सी बेटर टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ स्किल्स. अगर हम किसी टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम कर रहे हैं तो उस पर्टिकुलर टेक्नोलॉजी पे काम करने के लिए कितने बंदे अवेलेबल हैं, राइट? कौन कितना एक्सपर्ट है. अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स, हमें सबसे मैंडेटरी थिंग में रॉ मटेरियल्स आता है. अगर रॉ मटेरियल्स अवेलेबल होगा इजीली तो हम कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को बना सकते हैं. ठीक है. मैन पावर को अगर हम ट्रेन करेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी टू बी फाइनलाइज और टू बी जनरेट एनी प्रोडक्ट. तो उसके लिए रॉ मटेरियल होना बहुत जरूरी है. कई बार क्या होता है कि रॉ मटेरियल इजी अवेलेबल नहीं होता और डाउन द लाइन वो मार्केट रॉ मटेरियल जो है फ्लो नहीं हो पाता, जिसकी वजह से आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो पूरा नहीं हो पाता, राइट? फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट, इफ देयर विल बी एनी रिक्वायरमेंट टू सपोर्ट द फाइनेंस, तो उसके लिए भी आपको रिक्वायरमेंट इजीली फाइनेंस अवेलेबल होना चाहिए. प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी, जो पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट आप बना रहे हैं, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फर्म लेवल स्क्रीनिंग, in which how much profit you are getting for that particular product. उसके बाद कुछ गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट स्क्रीनिंग प्रोसेस होते हैं कि हम उनको फुलफिल करें, जिससे कि हमें अपने प्रोडक्ट को लॉन्च करने में या उसको सप्लाई करने में या उसको लोगों तक पहुंचाने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ओके, after that is the formulating the concept of the business. Resource analysis, resources, weakness, money, material, machine, method, manpower, management, moment. Okay, these are the resource analysis. I think everyone know about this. Weakness क्या होती है, money is the, these all are the important parameters. Money, हमारे पास मनी होगा तभी हम कुछ इजीली परचेज कर सकते हैं. मटेरियल मनी से, बेसिकली दीज ऑल आर द इंटररिलेटेड. वी कैन से मनी से मटेरियल, मशीन, मेथड हमारी मैन पावर से आएगी, उसके पास भी मनी हमें देना पड़ेगा, कुछ ना कुछ उसके कंपेयर में हमें उसको देना पड़ता है. मैन पावर, कैसे कैसे हमारे हम जो प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं. लाइक जैसे सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ वी विल टेक एन एग्जांपल कि 1 आवर में हमें 2 पीस लैपटॉप के बनाने हैं या 10 पीस ऑफ मोबाइल वी हैव टू बी मैन्युफैक्चर, तो हम कैसे मैनेज करें. लाइक अगर हम मोबाइल की ही एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं कि हमें 1 घंटे में 10 मोबाइल बनाने हैं, तो हमें इसके लिए टाइम डिवाइड करके चलना पड़ता है कि लाइक हमें 6 मिनट पर मिनट एक मोबाइल एटलीस्ट हमारा कंप्लीट हो जाए. भले ही उसमें हमारे सब स्टेशन कितने हैं, 5 हैं, 10 हैं, 15 हैं, डजंट मैटर, बट एट द फाइनल वी विल गेट अ मोबाइल इन जस्ट 6 minutes. ओके, आफ्टर दैट इज द मोमेंट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट मोमेंट, कितना टाइम कौन सा लग रहा है. ओके, आफ्टर दैट रिसोर्स एनालिसिस. Resource analysis where strengths and weaknesses are identified indicates what the firm is capable of doing at the start of the business. Resource analysis क्या है? Basically जहाँ पे हम अपनी strength और weakness के बारे में identify करते हैं. किस टाइप से आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कि जो हम अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, जो हम बिजनेस इन द सेंस, जरूरी नहीं है कि बिजनेस कोई इंडस्ट्री हो, कोई आपका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री हो सकती है, कंपनी हो सकती है, आपकी कोई शॉप हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, कि हम उसमें हमारे पास क्या स्ट्रेंथ है, क्या वीकनेस है, जिससे कि हम उस बिजनेस में लंबे टाइम तक टिक पाए. Okay, the strength identify distinct competencies of the company which can work to its advantage. Strength, like what is the strength, what is the weakness. Strength का example अगर हम यहाँ पे लेते हैं, like इसमें जैसे लिखा हुआ है कि कुछ हम ऐसी competencies identify करें जिससे कि कंपनी को या हमें कंपनी के साथ या कंपनी में काम करने वाले लोगों को कुछ ना कुछ एडवांटेज हो. Next is the formulating the concept of the business. First one is environmental analysis. The environmental analysis gives an indication whether the business can survive or not. जब हम environmental analysis करते हैं किसी भी particular business का, तो with the help of environmental analysis we can identify that we can be stable in the market or we have to be quit to means we can survive or not in the market. Okay, this is the environmental analysis. After that is the identifying opportunities and threats in the environment: socio-cultural, technological and technical, economic, natural, political, peace and order, population trends, government program, global environment. These are the threats, or we can say the opportunity. If we will take it positively, that it will be a opportunity for us, but if we will take it negative, then it can be a threat for our business also. Okay, next is the formulating the concept of the business. Personal values analysis. Personal values analysis like represent your philosophy, guiding principles, outlook and aspirations for your business, non-monetary values. पर्सनल वैल्यू एनालिसिस में क्या होता है कि हम अपनी फिलोसफी, जो हम सोच रहे हैं, जो हम काम करना चाहते हैं, हम उसको रिप्रेजेंट कर पाए, लोगों को हम गाइड कर पाए, क्या हमारी थिंकिंग है, किस वे में हम काम करना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है, these are the some monetary values. Okay, these all are the about the identification of the business opportunity. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.